Alright, the first keyboard shortcut is the Windows key Shift S. It takes a screenshot of any portion of the screen. And then you can copy the screenshot, paste it into any app that you are using. Alright, now the next shortcuts allow you to maneuver around your screen like a pro. The Windows key along plus and minus zooms in and out by using the magnifier. It makes it much easier to see and it can help you focus on certain areas when you are showing something to someone. The Windows key along with the arrow keys, which is left, right, up, down, allows you to snap to the left, snap to the right, minimize, maximize, and so on. And this is much faster than using your mouse. Now this one is a favorite to many. It's Windows Tab. You can instantly switch between apps and also virtual desktops. And now for power users, I really like those ones. The first one is holding Ctrl Shift while double clicking an app. If you do that, it will automatically open it as an administrator without you having to right click and choosing run as administrator. Really simple. The next one is Ctrl F5. It does a complete refresh of a web page. Now normally regular F5 just reloads the page, but this one, Ctrl F5, it reloads an uncached copy, a fresh version of the web page. This is great for developers. Let's say you are testing out a website. Well, you are going to get the freshest version each time to see how it's going to look. Now as a power user, you should want these shortcuts as well. To quickly open the system settings, hit Windows I. To quickly open the File Explorer, hit Windows E. And to quickly close an app, hit Alt F4. And now finally, these are the basic shortcuts you must absolutely know as a Windows user. If you haven't gotten used to these, please do so by now because it'll make your life much easier. For more videos like this, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.